Here is the step-by-step on one of my favorite cuts in the books. I call this the high V-neck burst fade. First, start out with the detailers. From the middle of the neck, begin a high arch curve all the way to the bottom of the earlobe, and just take off the hair that you don't need. Once that is done, you make your first symmetrical guideline 1 inch around the ear and ball it out. Make sure you do that on both sides. Start your blend with the number 2 guard, 2 inches high, then a 1.5 inch high. Of course, never play yourself. With the half, which is the lever down, go 1/2 inch all the way around to smoothen out the blend. Go over it again with the 1.5 to make sure. Then take your ball ends with a 1 guard to knock out that middle line for a better blend. Keep the sideline straight down to the end of the eyebrows. Slightly tap the temple line and arch the sideburns to a point. Go over it again and give it a deep curve. Clean off the little hairs with the razor. Go from side to side, from top to bottom. After you're done with this side, dust them off and go to the next side. Use the same routine you did on the left side, do it on the right side. Just make sure you keep the sideburns straight to a point. When you're done with the sideburns, cross-check the V-arch in the back to make sure it is clean shaved. Just because you've lined them up the first time doesn't mean it is straight and clean. You will have to go over it a couple more times to be very, very crispy. Don't get distracted, stay focused. Using the 0 on your fade-in clippers, you want to freehand and slightly graze the front brim and the side corners of the hawk. Last but not least, go over the neck arch and clean off the rest of the facial hair that hasn't been cut yet. Make sure there isn't any dirty hairs around or any visible lines on the side of the fade. Now whip out your curl sponge and gently rotate clockwise to give him the best curls for his texture. You always want to start curling it from the top to the bottom. Spin him around to make sure it is all curled up and there's nothing left. Well, there you have it, guys. These are my few steps I use on my favorite cut. Here's the before. Boom! And there is the after. And like I said, if you want to see more of these voiceover cuts, drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, and of course, hit that subscribe button, and I will do my best to keep them videos coming. Thank you for watching, and I'm out of here. Deuces!